Hilux synchronization of the KD1 or the KD1. It is very easy. It is almost impossible to save you. Each gear has its number. Gear on one side of the other and the one in the middle. There is no way to save. You have to synchronize. The two rockers, pump, crankshaft, and oil pump, and the half gear that goes here. Everyone will have a number. I will show them to you later, and there's no way to grab him. It's just that. We are going to have to lock the middle gear. Above, I leave you the video of how to lock it. And well, that's where we're going to do it. When you set the oil pump, first of all, the two rockers must be on. And synchronize already O2 with O2. When it is put into the gear, this will have to synchronize O3 with O3. As you can see, I made a stripe on the gear to continue along the route and enter just between 2, 3. 0, 3. 1, 2, 3 goes an O-ring that squeezes. To press here to put the nut goes an O-ring. There. When putting on the lid with the oil pump, here is a screw with an oil pipe. And here above it has 2 more passes of oil. This is explained in another video above. Let's put crankshaft gears in it, combining O1 with O1. '64N Metro. Now we put the gear cover with the thingy on the outside. By manual carries 5 ohm meter. Do not forget to put el sensor, crankshaft position, and to remove the obstacle of the medium gear. When you put the front cover, don't forget to put that one on. O-ring fundamental. Com. O3 coincide con O3. O4 coincide con O4. O5 con O5, O1 con O1 y O2 con L.